Hello, today we're going to try this Dudley's Camo Egg Decorating Kit. Comes with 5 coloring tablets, 3 sheets of stickers, 1 egg dipper, 1 camo crayon, and 9 fun tops, and a tray to dry them off. I'm going to open the box here. Wax crayon, pink camo, blue camo, green camo, a sturdy egg holder, five large coloring tablets in this kit. Most of the kits usually come with small ones. This one has 5 large ones. See, 5 large ones. And the kit is empty. So with the magic crayon, you can color on the eggs before they're dyed, and it won't dye that portion. So example, if you wanted to write your name, or if you wanted to put a heart on the egg, you just draw on it, and then when you dipped it, it won't dye that portion. We're not going to be using this, but that's what's in the kit. I'm not going to use the dye either. I'm just going to use plastic eggs. To be kid friendly. So I'm going to do 2 green ones and 1 blue one. So with the blue one, it looks like these are just stickers, and you decide what sticker you want where on the egg. So we'll start with the blue one. This appears to be very, very simple and easy. And you push it down. Remember, your egg is oval and rounded, and so there are going to be creases in the stickers. Stuck perfectly. Beautiful. I'm going to do a darker one. Just goes on. No problems at all. There are so many stickers that you can put, I don't know, 10 or 12 on each one, on each egg if you wanted to. And it's starting to look camouflaged. I'm just going to keep going until I feel that this one is pretty camouflaged. This one is fun to do. There's not a right way or a wrong way to do it. You just stick the stickers on and voila. What do you think of that? Does it look camouflaged? Well, I think it does not look camouflaged because it's in blue. I should have used the blue camouflage. So let's try the green on the green. Again, we have plenty of stickers. How does that look? Yeah, I think that will look better. I just wonder what I was thinking, huh? And what if you just put a little army guy in there, or woman, an army figurine in there, and hide this egg? Your kids will just love it. Okay, I'm loving it. I don't think there's a right or wrong way. Oops. I might have too many of this one color. See, I have 3 of them in a row, so I got to get some darker ones in between there. Not that there's a right way or a wrong way. I just think it will add. Oh, look at that. Now I like that. Pretty neat. So I did the blue one. I already put the green ones on, but we can put the blue over the green and make it multicolored. Let's see what that looks like. Kind of looks like a world right this second. Green and blue. Ocean. Land. So you can mix and match. Works perfectly. If you want, you can add another, we can add the pink on here. I'll put it up at the top here. And that's what all 3 colors look like. And this egg is pretty camoed with all different colors. And the green egg is just green. I think they turned out, at least the green one, turned out similar to what you see in the picture. My multicolored one is not in any of the pictures, but if you look at the blue one, it's kind of similar. So I think this is a great kit for $2. If you can get it cheaper, that would be good. And the back actually shows a better picture of how this is done with the stickers compared to the front, which is a little bit different than what the back looks like. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.